Here we go again. What's going on, y'all? Long Roof Lifestyle here. Making another video because it's what I enjoy. So today, we get to do some work to the Volvo. Easy stuff, anybody can do it. It's maintenance and replacing part of the cruise control that I mentioned was bad. Little vacuum servo thing right there. I went to the junkyard and found another one off of like a 94 Volvo 960, I think is what it was, which is this right here. And I also got the other stuff in that I'd mentioned. New plugs, wires. Super excited about that. But first and foremost, we're going to see about taking this off and comparing it to this. They look the same. I'm pretty sure they're the same. Excuse me. We're going to take a look at it and see what we got. That is a 13 mil on the back. That bolt right here, that's a 13. And I've already got that right here. So, not really a good place for me to put it, but I'll tell you, it's on the back. It's a that on GoPro, you can't really see it that well, but you can kind of see it a little bit right here. That little stud, yeah, there you go, you can see it right here. That's the bolt, that's 13. So we're going to take that off really quick like. Move my phone back, disconnect your vacuum hose. Move whatever you need to out the way. Take it off, set it somewhere safe. Now, unroll it. And that's all there is to it. And like I mentioned, you know, this one's bad. I tried to patch it, and yeah, it didn't work. It's just way too old. You know, so let's take a look at the numbers on the back. It's got numbers right here. You can kind of see a little bit. Yep, there you go. What's that? 004538. I know it's got the hella thing right there. The other one does. Let's take a look at the part number. Let's see. 004538. Zero 538. Sweet. Now I got this, like I mentioned. Dang, I got this thing everywhere. I got this thing off of I think it was a 1994 Volvo 940. It had the straight 6 in it, the 20 valve, I think is what it was. And this right here was, of course, you know, on the cruise control area. So, and I tested it before I bought it. I tested it on the spot, worked fine. Let me see if I can get some of that junk out of there. There's a little bit of junk in there. A little screw type deal. Yep, there we go. Cool. So now, I'm going to kind of compare. It should be about the same. Yep, I'll say that's good. They look about the same. So I'm going to leave it at that. nut that goes on the back of it is a 13. Actually, I got a 14 on there. It worked, but I'm sure it's a 13. So anyway, let's put it on. Said I don't have a really good way for me to put this on here. Let's try that. You can kind of see it. So that goes in the mount like that. Then you carefully try your best not to rupture that diaphragm. I think is what it's called. The little rubber material that surrounds it. Wrap it. Keep on tightening it up until it's good and snug. Like that. Go find a 13 for this thing. Find your best approach. I'll give it a hold a little bit because it is going to try and move on you. It doesn't have to be very tight. I mean, it's got to be good and snug, but I wouldn't put a whole lot of tension on it. It's old material. I'll probably say that's good. It ain't moving. Put that behind it. That seems good to me. Wrap this around. Just gonna go something like that. Gonna wrap around. It's not pulling on it too terribly bad. So now, with that said, vacuum hose goes to the back of it. There's a barb back there. Just push it on like that, and then this right here, that little barb right here, it goes to the vacuum pump, which is that right there with the yellow wires going to it. That'll work. At least you can see it. Gotta find the barb. I mean, not the barb, but the hose, which goes like this. Actually, it feels. Maybe I got these backwards. Maybe that's the reason why. Oh, hope I didn't stretch it too much. Oh no, that's good. Cool. All right. So we'll try that out when we go out. Now for the fun part. These guys. Cannot remember the I'll say it here in a minute. Where my book at? Oh, there it is. Spark plug gap. So, let's take a look. We can find it. 28 thousandths. Now I do have feeler gauges somewhere. I've got 2 sets, I believe. Yep. So 28 thousandths is what I need. So 10. I'm gonna have to do some math. I'm not good with this. 28. So 13 thousandths and 15 thousandths gauges equals 28 thou. That is what we need. 28 thousandths. Now, I've also heard that everybody says that these things do not need gapped. I always check them before I put them in the car. You never know what happened during shipment. You never know what happened during handling, packaging, any of that. And I'm picky about it. So, let's take a look at them. I'm gonna do these. I'm gonna install them one by one and check the gap as I go. Here's the first one, all nice and pretty. A feeler gauge. That's good. 28, no movement, but I can still get it in and out. Like so. So I'm gonna leave that one good. So let's find, it's probably gonna be this one. Going off the sides of this thing. Junk out the way. Yep, that's it. For the ones going in, I cannot remember what the ones going out are. I think they're 5/8. I think they're NGKs. So I may end up having to remove some of my intercooler piping here to be able to get to this one. But I'm gonna start off on that one first. Well, they were in there good. At least they were making good connection. See where they're starting to fray from the heat and stuff like that. Things are old. And I really have another way to set this thing up. I'm sorry, y'all. That's probably pretty good. I think you'll be able to see that. Sure. Alright, so now that looks like the same size. Handle it easy. Hopefully they're not in too bad a shape, but we'll see. That one's relatively easy to come out. Yeah, it's getting there. Looks about right. Don't look that bad. 28 thousandths is the gap. That's recommended. Oh yeah, she's big. So that play. Look at all that. That's quite a bit. Now you put these things in, they go at an angle. So you got to be very careful. Kind of let it thread itself. If it doesn't feel like it does, if it feels like it does not want to go in, don't force it. The best thing you want to do is jack up the threads into the head with your plugs. Feels like it's starting to seat. Yep. Alright, so I'm going to leave that there for now. Let me get the hook. My cords. Foot-pounds plus or minus 4. So 18 is nominal. I'm gonna go a little bit less than that. I'm gonna go 15. Set it for 15. It's right there. Lock it back down. 14 right there. And of course, that comes out. Never fails. Open up the new. And so, in this case, this is the longest one. So, be this one. That good old snap. Set that one right there for now. No way it's out the way. Yeah. Woo! Yep. Told you they were old. Take a look at this one. Well, nothing special about it. Looks good. Ow. That one had to be put up a little bit. So that may have been just a thou or two under. It probably would have been alright, but just to be on the safe side. Nice and pretty. It's the same story. Follow the angle of it, let it thread itself. Alright, so want to stop right there. That makes me nervous. There we go. Okay. Got some cracking right there. You can probably see. That right there. Over to this guy. Yep. Come on, you bastard. I don't have a really good way to grip. I ain't got much room right here. There it goes. Dang. Almost looks like it's been arcing. It's got a little bit of black in there. Don't know if you can see it. That one looks good. Again, the gap is big. Well, imagine how this thing's going to run when I'm done with it. Hopefully better. Alright, so let's check the gap on this guy. That's good. And once again, thread it slow. Follow the angle. If it doesn't feel like it wants to go, don't force it. You force it, you got problems. Excuse me. Get in there. There we go. Right there. That That one's going to be the third longest. This is going to go to this guy right here. Snap down on there. Set that over to the side for right now. Set that like that. And now, for the fun one. That one actually didn't give me no trouble. No cracks on this guy. It's kind of hard to see the angle. It's kind of hard to follow it. So I'm going to try to test my luck. Alright, here we go. Just like that. Well, I got my cables off. I'm probably going to go back through and check the torque specs on my exhaust manifold bolts. That one don't look too bad. There goes nothing. I like it. Going in good. Snug up a little bit and snug it on down with this before I hit it with the torque. There it is. And of course, let's see if I can get it back, because I don't think I'll be able to get my pliers back there. Yep, there it comes. And hopefully the little rubber thing inside of it comes with it. Yep, sure did. That's got it for the plug change. I can put all that back up. Beautiful. All right. So this one goes back here. We'll try one of the others. That's how it's supposed to be, just like that. I'm used to them snapping like that. And that. Keep them all nice and neat. Plugs. Nice and pretty. Oh, what? Nope, nope, nope. Hang on. Forgot one. My GoPro's about to die, so got this one. Got it? There we go. Cool. Alright. Go take it for a spin. I don't know if I have enough room. Nope. Alright, so I'll do what I can with my phone. And then I'll add it to this. Alrighty y'all, what's up? I don't have my windshield mount or sidecar mount down here with me, so I'll just have to make do with that. Cell phone and some zip ties. I don't know how well it'll work. It might work okay. We'll see. Second I come out, my shop radio starts playing. I got better reception out here. That sun's really gonna be in my eyes. Alright. Big as these cars are, they got a very tight turning radius. Give me the old beans. So, great little car. Despite the damn, I forgot to test my cruise control. Take it back out for that. I totally forgot about that. So according to the manual, I need to be going at least 45 for that. Have to take it on the road. I don't want to do 45 back here where kids are out here playing and stuff. At least 45 at a sustained speed. Hopefully this fixes my cruise. That would be really nice. Alrighty, y'all. So that's that. She runs a lot better with the new plugs and wires. Still gonna have to figure out about what's going on with my with the cruise. I'm thinking it's the vacuum pump now, because I got out and looked at everything, and it's there. I mean, everything's there. Everybody's getting power and all that good stuff. So we'll see. So I appreciate y'all watching. Like and subscribe and all that good stuff. Hopefully I'll be able to start taking this thing to some meet soon and all that good stuff. So keep an eye out. Stay tuned. I appreciate y'all watching. See y'all next time.